Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a precise baseline and securing hair. This is the first actionable step. Clip up top layers, then use a tail comb to part a 0. 5-inch horizontal section at the nape. This gives a stable anchor. Once done, measure your wefts and trim them to 1 to 2-inch segments so they sit flush on a short head shape. Make sure to leave about 10% texture so clips or tape can grip. This prevents slipping and builds a foundation for the rest. Next, attach mid-layer wefts in staggered rows to create natural volume and avoid a helmet look. Start about 0.5 to 1 inch above your baseline and angle each weft to follow natural hair growth. This helps mobility and comfort. Once multiple rows are set, blend using thinning shears and light backcombing to remove visible seams. Make sure to stagger rows near the temples so the silhouette remains soft. Color match with small micro layers to disguise edges and maintain a believable finish. To finish, style with low heat and a heat protectant. Work in 2-inch subsections so you don't overprocess short hair. Once styled, inspect for tension, visible tracks, or gaps. Make sure nothing pulls at the scalp and that clips or tape are hidden. If you find slipping, add a small inner clip, a thin cushion, or a tiny sewn-in anchor. If frizz or mismatch shows, use a dab of serum and retexture with shears. Remember to secure loose edges and check comfort before leaving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.